Now, in our last class, I gave you a table, isn't it? We work it true or false. Now, I asked you, the last thing you didn't do was to draw the graph, isn't it? Yes, the graph of what? Temperature against the moon, true or false? That is, the graph of the temperature will be on the the vertical axis, which is the y-axis. Then the moon will be on what? The horizontal axis, which is what? The x-axis. Exactly now. And we have to make sure you choose what appropriate scale for that. I'll do that quickly, then we'll go to the conversion of the temperature from one scale to another. Exactly now. From one unit to another. Let me see your table. Please, I believe you are with your table. Is it the last table I gave?
Yes.
Okay. Please go to your table first. Open to your table. What is the maximum temperature there? Just give me one. Maximum temperature there is what?
6.4. 6.4.
How many of you work it at home? Did you work it or go through it?
46.4. 46.4, bro. 46.
It's 46.4. Okay. Then I gave another question at which number? There is a question I asked you to identify the double.
Double meaning.
If people you wrote a different, I said double meaning, not meaning.
Double meaning.
You wrote something wrong. I said double
Meaning.
The word meaning there stand for is a short form for minimum. Then I said double what?
Maximum.
Which is what?
Maximum.
Which is maximum. Now if you check your table there, the table you are carrying, you have two minimum temperature for that year, isn't it?
Yes,
what are the months?
That is. We have minimum.
January.
Minimum or maximum. Minimum.
I said minimum. The double meaning there is what?
Minimum is January and May.
January and what?
May.
Have what? Double. I say double. Have what? Minimum amount of what? Temperature. Since it is two, we call it what? Double minimum. That is double meaning. Exactly now.
Yes,
Now, which month? When are you having double maximum?
September.
August and what?
September.
For those writing jam, that is very important for you. Your maximum amount of temperature there is what? 40. Is what? 46.4. And then, even though it is double mass, it's still 46.4. Exactly now.
Yes, sir.
That's what I want to clear to you. Now we are looking at our graph now. Because of the highest amount of temperature there is what? 46.4. The lowest is what? 5, isn't it? So our scale will ensure that our scale balance between this. Exactly now. On the y-axis, let's have 2 cm to 2 units. 5 units. Then on x-axis, have 2 cm to 1 unit. Please, no noise, please. No noise, please. Are you part of us? Are you part of us? Yes or no? Give me my meter rule.
Your meter ruler. Y-axis. That's y-axis. Like this is x-axis. Which one explain something.
Is it your anyone drawing it?
The first one, the very straight.
I think I'll check out your own.
I mean, it was from my pocket. Everything is in not in my own. I don't feel like that. Carry for me. I be the shit.
So this one will place.
Wait.
This is temperature. Is it in degree Fahrenheit?
Yes. Degree F.
So you measure 2 centimeter here, it will give you 5 units. Another 2 centimeter. You are going to use your meter rule to do that. Please spray away that meter rule.
You break this thing. You say three. What? They say do it the way you say actually.
This one be stop baby. Come on your hand. They say me you throw am away. Wetin be this? You measure your hand. 46.
Okay, we have it as 46.
0.4.
And this one will be
50.
okay. 2 centimeter here. Give us January, February, March, April,
May, June,
July,
July, August, September, October, November, and December. December.
Next, we are going back to your table now. Everybody to your table. The month of January, what's the amount of rainfall?
5 degrees Fahrenheit.
5, right?
Yes. And
What about the month of February?
7.
Eh? I think 7 is somewhere here,
yes.
right?
Yes, sir. No, you know,
sir.
Up, small. Up, man. Yes.
Where's your 9?
Yes, that is 7.
Oh, that is not 7.
That is 7.
That is 7. Can your eye measure?
I dey measure am with my eye.
Can be.
Okay. What about the month of March?
8.
8 should be somewhere here.
No, sir. Down, yes. Something like that, yes. Step up, please. Come down.
No.
No. If 7 is there, 8 should be below it.
Don't mind.
So that is 9.
I learned because
The 9 is that. Na 9 dey follow, na him make. When go
sir, I was explaining.
Okay, what about the month of April? Please be
9. Let me see 9.
This one is explanation.
Sano.
Where's your 9?
Sano.
No gap.
There's a gap.
So what about 10?
You have 10?
You don't have 10, but yes, you have 10 too.
Don't worry.
Complication.
You want to change my stuff?
So the month of
5. Another
which month? May.
Yes.
This is 5, right?
Yes.
Is the line followed?
Yes.
Yes, yes. Me, yes.
Got it.
You got it. But if no, no, wait. Guys, yes.
What about the month of June?
10.
Is that why you are shouting complication?
Yes.
There's no complication.
I never go.
Please, you better pay attention and stop that. Okay. What about the month of
15.
I think this one is it June, right?
Yes.
What about July?
15.
I think it's okay, right?
Yes.
What about August? What about August?
Oh, God.
46.4.
46. I think she'll be here.
Yes.
I will mark it now, don't worry.
So it's too big.
Is it balanced now? Is it balanced now?
Yes.
Yes.
Not balance, you know. Then those things on the wall.
Don't worry.
It's September. It's 14, it's 46.
Yes, what about the next one? The same September?
Yes. 46.4.
I think it's balanced from the board now.
Yes.
No.
Balance.
The other side.
So what the gap here?
Yes, balance. Balenciaga.
Balance now, right?
Yes, sir. Balance. Another balance. Yes. That's all. Next one is 20. October 20.
October is what?
20.
Is it balanced here? Is it balanced here?
Yes. Yes, sir.
I just want to take. Is it balanced?
Yes. No. Which no? It's not balanced. Chief can come with it.
What about November?
21.
21. That is above 20 a little bit.
Yes. A little bit. Yeah.
What about December?
6. Too low. Yes, sir.
6, right?
Yes.
And this is 5.
December.
And this place is 5.
the upper one.
Just up a little bit. Mm-hmm.
Try.
Not too low.
They will mark it down, mark it.
So let's start.
Downward. Different.
Now we are going to trace it now with a free hand tracing. Exactly now.
Yes, sir.
Let's start. From here, right?
Yes.
Frequency.
You are coming down.
Yes. Frequency.
Up,
Up.
and up, and up,
Yes.
and down, and down,
See one.
and down.
Is it down?
Yes.
This one or this one?
Down to up.
Up.
No.
Yes. Then down.
No.
Did we miss anyone?
Sir, down like this to up.
Which one is the last one? Which one is the
Please take your own down very fast and quickly. Choose your scale and follow it with your meter rule. Don't just forge this. Choose your scale. The scale I choose for you, follow it. On the y-axis is 2 cm to 5 units. Then on the x-axis is 2 cm to 1 unit. Oh yeah, follow that scale. Use your meter rule now, and must be done with pencil. Yes.
This line have to use.
Which one?
Would you like to start with 0 in physics?
Leave it like that, okay. That doesn't have anything. Check your geography textbook too. Yes, do that very fast and quickly. So from here now, you know the month with the lowest,
Yes.
and you know the month that carry what? The highest.
You know doing well.
Do it now. I want to see it. Yes, use the play sheet and follow the scale. Use your meter rule.
I don't have pencil.
I got it at 2.
Use your meter rule and choose that scale. I say on the y-axis 2 centimeter to 5 units. I want you to do it now.
No pencil.
Show me before you attend the next class after break for geography. Do it now. I want to see it now. You are doing it now. Choose a scale, and that scale will make it bigger. So your book must be wide enough.
Can I use big pencil or pen?
You must use pencil. I told you severally, and that's why I decided to come with this today. So, plug who? To do what?
Use pencil.
Oh yeah.
You never know. If I use pen now,
Okay, you are using your hand to count. No, you will use meter rule.
Come and sit down here.
Use meter rule. But you have meter.
We don't want firewood.
Please, can you borrow me your meter?
You will not understand it. This is for the board, not for your paper. So his marking is different.
So you are bringing firewood.
It's not blind.
Please be fast. You have 5 minutes to do that, or you will not be attending my next class.
Show me. Can I use?
Hey, you are not informed. You let them go through the camera, the recording. If I have not been saying it in every class, your first for you. Consistent geography teacher, student. I'm not serious. Please, you are wasting my time. Do it now and do it very fast. You can use pen now, but you must be measured with meter rule.
Let me see that.
It's not even a complete one, no.
Okay, that's good.
Half meter.
And one side of it is already that half. One side is already gone.
I can use my own.
You brought in firewood.
Firewood.
Don't do free hand sketching for me. Another firewood. Be fast.
Where your meter room? Where is your ruler? Ruler.
Can you do that very quickly now?
Give me. You have done it. This one is it?
Please, you are wasting my time. That argument is what I don't want. This one is condemned.
Yes, it's condemned.
Condemnation.
Wait now.
Don't do anything from house. I want it done in the class. Practice it in my presence. Look at meter rule there. I think I saw somebody with meter. Use pen, but measure it. But use meter rule.
Okay.
You have 1 minute left.
Jesus.
So 2 centimeters will give you 1 unit, and this will be enough. So you do it here. Is it 2 centimeters? 2 centimeters to 5 units. This is not 1 centimeter. This is not 2 centimeters. If you do 2 centimeters, it will extend to this side. If this is 2 centimeters to this, do it now. 2 centimeters. Are you sure? So that this gap and this gap here is smaller than this gap here. And you're telling me you use 2 centimeters for all. You cannot cheat me. By looking at it, I will know. If you use meter rule, it will be very wide. If you choose that scale, it will be very wide. You know, I could have easily jumped the graph, but you can't dodge it in the exam. It's not measured. Let me repeat this. So the gap from here to here is 2 centimeters.
So
your book now go enter don't blow.
millimeter. Draw to the edge. Give you 2 centimeters.
Where's the meter rule that you use? If you use meter rule, it will start from here and even end there. You'll be struggling for space. Where's the meter rule used in measuring the gap? This case says 2 centimeters to 5 units. So the gap here should be 2 centimeters each. Yes. Make sure you carry it. Free what? Why are you encouraging them to do that?
I'm giving you salary.
Yes, your own. This was the baggy ball. Baggy is do free hand now. That's why.
You still have
Baggy hands.
Quickly. The book will not be enough, my friend.
Now will not be enough for that.
Except you open it. Drawing. Here and here. If you drink that water without doing the graph again, you're in trouble. Take.
This one resembles the type of fraud where Pharaoh they use for Bible.
So you don't even know how to use meter.
No, this one is big.
Easy to adapt.
This time is going, please. Time is of the essence.
Then. So you draw a tire as well. When you are right to jam, just go with your own. So that in case you see a type of graph, you measuring it one after the other.
Tell it to the last side and you use the root.
It will come. Last year it came. I went to India.
Yeah, wait till then.
If you have sense at all, you'll be using measurement on the system. Ruler on the system. Are you done with yours? You did rubbish. Because if you do it with the measurement, this will be scattered all over. It's not scattered. You are just thinking and then punching anywhere you feel like punching. This is for board, not for paper. So it will take you, do you know how many minutes I will give to you in the exam? And you're wasting almost 1 hour on this graph
So I just practical.
for 8 marks.
Let me
You're wasting the whole hours.
Let me draw my own.
Let me do it.
I have graph. I have graph.
You like chips?
See, my time is really going. Check your time for me, please. Time 34. I don't want to waste the whole time with this.
That's what you see.
This one go. This one still go to. See this table.
Please, you leave the space for graph. Ensure that you attend to it later. Please, let's go to the next thing. Exactly now.
Yes, sir.
Ensure that you attend to it later. It's going to be there will be no break for you. When it's time for break, are you going to use that minute of break to do the graph? Exactly now. Because that will determine you coming to the class. I think your break is by 11?
11, sir. 11:50.
And the class is
11.
ending when?
The class is ending 11. Then the break is 15 minutes.
Then from there,
To the 11 they have another subject.
biology and
Biology.
I don't have enough time. Please leave this. That means let's go to it first. Leave this in. Now we are going to look at how we can convert from one unit to another. I told you that we have 2 units of what? Temperature. We have degree Celsius, the one you call the one that is in geography, you call it degree centigrade. Then we have degree Fahrenheit. Exactly now. So each of these can be converted from one to another. The first of all, we are going to look at how we can convert degree what? Fahrenheit to degree what? Centigrade. Exactly now. I told you initially when we started the study of temperature as one of the elements of what? Weather, isn't it? I told you that the lowest point or the melting point of degree centigrade is what? 0. And then the highest point, which is the boiling point, is what? 100. Then that of the degree Fahrenheit, the lowest point or the melting point for degree Fahrenheit is what? 32. While the highest point for degree Fahrenheit is what? 212. Isn't it? Degree. True or false? Now, it means that the highest point for degree, the boiling point for degree what? Centigrade is 100. Is an equivalent of 212 degree Fahrenheit, isn't it? So if I convert 212, it will give me 100. So if I convert 32 degree Fahrenheit to give me what? 0 degrees centigrade. Can we try that out? All right. The formula for degree, if you are converting from this to this, it means you are looking for this, isn't it? And the formula for this is what? Is degree centigrade is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 over 1.8. 1.8. That is the formula for finding what? Degree centigrade. It's a derivative. And it's a constant formula now. Exactly now. The one you call derivative, isn't it? So let's see how we can convert 32 degree Fahrenheit and then 212 degree Fahrenheit to what? Degree centigrade to degree what? Centigrade. Can we try that out now? Because of our time, please. All right. And we say that this is number 1. This is number what? 2. For number 1, we say that degree centigrade equals to what? Degree Fahrenheit minus 32 over 1.8. Then we can substitute the degree Fahrenheit into the Fahrenheit, isn't it? Where we have degree centigrade is equal to, the Fahrenheit for number 1 is what?
32.
32 minus what? 32. Are you getting it now? Over what? 1.8. Please, can you do that for me? This is what? 0 over what? 1.8. And what we have? Who says it's still 1.8?
Zero.
Are you a literature student? Is what? Zero. So 0 what? Degree what? Centigrade. Can we go to that of number 2? Number 2, degree Fahrenheit, the centigrade equals to what? Degree Fahrenheit minus 32 over 1.8, which is, the Fahrenheit here is what? 212 minus 32 over 1.8. Or if you do it, 212 minus 32, what do you have? 180. Are you short?
Yes.
Over 1.8. What do you have? It's not 100, it's 100
100.
degrees centigrade.
100.
Do you get it now?
Yes.
I'll give you other example to solve with me very fast and quickly. I hope you understand it, right?
Yes.
This is because of our time. You do this for me quickly. Convert the following degree Fahrenheit to degree centigrade. Number 1, we have 50 degree Fahrenheit. II 68 degree Fahrenheit. We have 104 degree Fahrenheit. (86 degree Fahrenheit). Please, can we start first quickly? All right. You are picking the I, Roman numeral 1, which is this one. So we have degree centigrade is equal to what? Degree Fahrenheit minus 32 over 1.8. So we have it as 50 minus what? Stop writing. Stop writing. Over 1.8. So 50 minus 32, what do you have?
50.
Are you short? Over 1.8. So you are short, right? Are you sure it's 10? 10 what? Who says sumptuous? Who says sumptuous? If you are close to that person, knock the person for me. Yes. Can I wipe here now?
No.
Yes.
You have the formula, you can rework it yourself now.
It's easy.
Very easy.
So you can clean it.
Primary school.
Have you ever wrote this geography in JAM? You told me you sat for JAM before. Have you come across questions like this?
I thought.
Almost we have 3 questions from here.
Very easy.
Last year.
This JAM, because all that are core geography questions will come from there. Quantitative analysis of an element of weather and climate is a core geography, so it must surely come. Our proof that geography is a natural science like biology, chemistry, and physics come from what? Element of weather and climate. So element of weather and climate is a core geography. Can I clean now?
Yes.
What is the time?
10:45.
I hope I meet up. Roman numeral 2. What do you have there? Half degree centigrade equals to 1 degree Fahrenheit minus 32 over 1.8. Roman numeral 2 is what? 68, right? Minus 32 over 1.8. So what do you have? 62 minus 30, 68 minus 32. 36 over 1.8. What do you have?
20 degrees centigrade.
20 degrees centigrade. Please solve the remaining two for me fast and quickly.
So our 3 is 40. Our 3 is 40 degrees centigrade.
Don't worry. Take. Solve it on the board for me. You are not solving for me and you are drinking water. Yes, solve Roman numeral 3 for me. That is 104. You'll be asking them whatever you need from them. Sound like this. Ask them. Don't waste your time. Ask them. Right on. 72 over 1.8. Please write this your 8 way. Is what? Okay, somebody has to solve the last one, 86. Who is solving? Yeah. Do you need any teacher to work this one in the exam for you?
No.
That's what people run to miracle centers for.
It's not.
And then students will be telling you, I've been known before. And the formula, they forget them. Make sure you minimize the space to be enough for you. $86 minus 32 is saying
30 degrees.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Thank you very much. I can wipe the board now. You video whom? You video whom? No.
Solving it so that
You don't do that. This is somebody's private property.
I'm videoing it.
No,
You want to open his own platform?
you don't do that.
Which platform?
Even as a teacher, I'm not even allowed to do that.
My bad.
You will delete it in my presence now.
Sir.
Delete it.
Sir.
Can you do that now?
Yes.
With all pleasure. Let me see it. Delete it.
See the video we back. Simon will delete it. And your baguette.
Please, if you want to do that, you take permission from him, okay?
Okay, sir.
Where's the... Now, please, the second formula to find degree Fahrenheit, we can derive that formula from here, isn't it? we have we have degree centigrade equals to what? Degree Fahrenheit minus what? 32 over 1.8. We can do this over 1, you cross multiply, which is what? Which is 1.8, isn't it? Times degree centigrade, isn't it? What remains? You cross here, become what? Plus, isn't it? Plus what? 32. That is degree Fahrenheit here. Pick it is equals to 1.8 times this plus what? 32. That's formula for finding degree Fahrenheit. I think that is clear now, isn't it? So when you know one formula, you know the other, isn't it? I think it's sweet, right? I think it's moi moi and okpa. So let's do the other one. Do you still have some minutes left? Just 5. You can do that. So let's see. If you convert the degree Fahrenheit, like 0 degree centigrade, if you convert it, we can get what? 32, isn't it? Then we have 100 degrees centigrade. If convert, we can have 212. Let's check it out, isn't it? All right. So we are doing number 1. You are changing 0 degree centigrade to what? Degree Fahrenheit. Number 2, we have 100 degrees centigrade to what? Degree Fahrenheit. Number 1. Are we there now? Please stop writing and pay attention, please. It's better you get it. And the formula is what? Degree Fahrenheit is equals to 1.8 times what?
Degree Celsius.
Plus what?
32.
Which is equal to now 1.8. We are working for 0, isn't it? Times 0. Put 0 here, isn't it? Plus what? 32. Which is this, open the bracket first. This times this is what? Plus what? 32. Which is what? 32 degree what? Fahrenheit. Correct, right? Number 2, degree Fahrenheit, 0.8 times degree centigrade plus 32, which we have, please, no writing, pay attention, which is 1.8 times 100
Okay, yes. That one.
plus 32, which is equals to what? 180, right?
Yes.
Plus 32, which will give you, I think it's correct.
It's correct.
What about check?
You can copy now, you can write now.
212. This one is very, very correct.
I think you don't need any reminder during your exam when you have this. True or false?
True.
Just ensure that you have the formula with you. If you have this formula, you can also get this one from it, isn't it?
Yes.
I think you did a change of subject or formula in your JSS2, right? But at that time, you are finding it difficult, right?
So complicated.
And then if you have the kind of teacher we had in our junior secondary school, was a retired soldier, he will just cover the board. Do you understand?
Yes.
Your village people will bless and you say no. With all joy, with smiling face, yes, sir. Because if you say no, they knock and no will give you headache for 1 month.
Yeah.
Come here.
What a boy.
It's not the kind of going that you are going back and you are going forward. Then he will move at a speed. Then when that there is no initial pain, just crashing.
Yeah.
When you think you are about to recover, he will double it.
What kind of teacher is that?
And the worst is the school disciplinary master.
We come late, what to happen?
At the end of the day, we'll give you cutlass. That blood cutlass, they call it langa langa. He will take you to the school field. He will not say from here to here, say like this.
Division of labor. Sweat.
But there was a day in the night in the boarding school. This like when we came back from holiday, some bought catapult because of him in the night. As a different master, I was moving about. They just one hit him here
They catapulted him.
and caused so much injury on his head here. I think he did not come to school for 2 weeks. In the hostel, we are all happy
1 year.
because in the night he doesn't sleep. We be walking about. If you raise your head from bed, you say, "Come here." For that 2 weeks in the night, we wake up comfortably in the hostel. You soak your garri and you drink. No fear of Mr. Adakole coming. Nobody. We are just happy.
I teach you, I watch you.
He's a math master and at the same time this marry master. Where do you escape to?
Everywhere you catch you.
To the end, we are scared of mathematics.
You're scared of
And in a body school, the moment you move from one class to another, you leave that teacher. The words that he followed us with is 3. The principal say he's trying, he's teaching the student very well, so he should follow us until we finish our junior exam. The luck we had that our exam leaked out because of corruption. 2 weeks to our math junior exam, it leaked out 2 weeks to the exam. So we work and play with it. The word they give the question to the man. No one student have the answer.
Yes.
Know how to work it and give you a question and you mess up there. No. Do you understand? No, sir. But one thing with mathematics, if you work it and you get it, that joy will come to you, you will know. Says then, is it correct? No, sir. From the first period till 10 o'clock, we went for our break. We went for our break, went to the dining, took our breakfast, returned back. We went and called him again to come and complete it. I don't think that corruption is here now, that your exam is not leaking again.
Computerized exam.
Is it computerized exam now?
It's not leaking again.
Any question, please? Any question you need to ask concerning temperature? Any question? Yes. This one. You have to change degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit. 100 degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit. And this is the formula. So anyway, I have degrees centigrade, I have to put that 100 there. And that's why I substitute it with 100. So 1.8 multiplied by this will give you 180. 180 plus the 32, which is in the formula, will give you what? 212. And that is the maximum or the highest or the boiling point for degree what? Fahrenheit. Is that clear now? Any other person? Any other questions? You still have time, right? You can go for your break now. Enjoy your break.
Enjoy your week.
I should give plenty classwork.
No.
Yes.
Assignment last week.
Assignment.
Okay, hold phone. Please take it down. Hold phone. Convert the following degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit. Convert the following degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit. Convert the following degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit. The following centigrade to Fahrenheit. Are we there? Number 1, 10 degrees centigrade. Number 2, 20 degrees centigrade. 3, 40 degrees centigrade. 30 degrees centigrade. Go and have fun at home.
Now make it 5. I'll put it 10.
Have your own.
Now put it 10.
Now make it 5.